In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of your locked screen in an Android device. I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android 16 device, but if you have an older version of Android, not a problem. This is going to work for you also. So as you can see, I'm recording my screen. There's a timer to the top. If you are wanting to take a screenshot of maybe your lock screen, this is actually not going to happen, because the first thing is, if you go ahead and click the home button, your video is going to pause or it is going to stop. So how do we take a screenshot of the lock screen? My friend, it is actually very simple. All you have to do is get to the home screen and just press the power and the volume down button, and you're going to get a screenshot of your lock screen. So I hope this tip was useful, and if you have any further questions, I'm all ears. Please send me an email, or you could even post a comment in the comment section below. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.